Good morning. Happy Friday to everyone. So a few days ago, I shared with you one of the Hostess exclusives that is going away. And actually it sold out, I think that night or the next night. And it was the perfect pairing thermal set, the one with the little wine glasses and the cutting board. So that sold out overnight. But I do want to share with you guys something else that's retiring, and that is the Large Utility Tote Cargo. So most of the Hostess exclusives that we have right now will be retiring after May. So if you want to get your hands on them, you have to host with me by the end of May to get those before they're gone. So one of those is this Large Utility Tote Cargo. You guys, this was a Hostess special last year and people went crazy over it. So they brought it back this year as a Hostess exclusive. So you can earn it when you have at least a $200 party. And honestly, a $200 party is not hard to have. It's basically 4 to 5 people ordering. So if you have 4 to 5 people that you know that want to order something, then you've qualified for Hostess Rewards, and then you can get your hands on this Large Utility Tote Cargo. So I'd love to host with you before the end of May. I do in-person parties and I do online Facebook parties. And my Facebook parties, I have several options for you to choose from. So I hope that you'll consider hosting with me. But the Large Utility Tote Cargo is right here. This is in the scallop stripe. This print actually sold out. So these are going fast. They're available right now in 3 other prints. But I'm going to share with you why this Large Utility Tote is so awesome, okay? So first of all, a Large Utility Tote is awesome by itself, right? We love our Large Utility Totes. They're our #1 seller. But this is an amped up version of the Large Utility Tote. So you can personalize the front right here. On the sides, this right here is a thermal pocket. So you can unzip this right here. How perfect would this be for the beach or for the swimming pool? You open it up and I have 3 water bottles in here. So 3 size water bottles fit in here. So put them in cold and they're going to stay cold. So this is a thermal pouch already built in on the end. And then on this end, you have 2 pockets as well. You have a mesh pocket there on the bottom, and then you have a compartment right here. So in here, I actually have my sunglasses. So I thought that'd be a perfect place to keep your sunglasses right there. And then on the inside, you guys, this can hold so much. Hey, Tisha. This can hold so much, and this can keep you so organized in here. So this Large Utility Tote, I'm going to share with you guys. I have 4 towels on this end. So 4 of our beach towels right here on this end. And then on the middle section, I actually have a thermal. So I have the around the clock thermal. Fits perfectly right here in the middle, so you can keep extra things cold. So we got our 3 drinks on the end, but we're still taking things that are cold. We need waters, we need sodas if you drink sodas. We have our lunches in here. If you're like us, we stay at the beach all day long. So we keep our ice packs in here. We make our sandwiches and put them in here so that it fits perfectly down right there. This is the around the clock thermal. Then you have your beach buckets that fits right there. And I also have a zipper pouch full of sunscreen. So you cannot go to the beach without your sunscreen, right? I just dropped it. And then the Large Utility Tote Cargo Bundle, when you host, it comes with the stand tall insert. So this is what helps your Large Utility Tote to stand up and not collapse down. So it comes with that Large Utility Tote. And on one side of the Large Utility Tote, you have mesh pockets. So as you can see, I have my SPF sunscreen chapstick. So one side comes with the mesh pocket. So this Large Utility Tote, you guys, the Large Utility Tote Cargo will be going away. And it does come with the stand tall insert. So I do not know when the stand tall inserts will be available for everyone. They haven't told us yet. So I'm kind of thinking maybe at the end of the year, but don't hold me to that because I honestly don't know. But I want you guys to get your hands on this Large Utility Tote Cargo before it goes away at the end of May. So we can set up a quick Facebook party, get you some orders, and then you can qualify for this. So I would love to host with you. You guys reach out to me, and I hope that you will like my business page, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I appreciate you guys hosting with me and being my customer. So have a happy Friday.